In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of grayed out cellular data on your iPhone. If you find that your cellular data option is grayed out and you are unable to access mobile data on your device, there is a simple solution you can take to try and resolve this issue. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit and tap Screen Time. After that, scroll down again and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then, scroll down until you see an option called Cellular Data. Tap on it. Enter the screen time passcode. As you can see, cellular data changes are set to Don't Allow, which is what is causing your issue. To fix the issue of grayed out cellular data on your iPhone, simply tap and select the Allow option. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.